Okay, here we are at the Monroe Lecture Center, Hofstra University. Let's see if I can actually ride this thing. This is busier than you would think. We've got a Burlington, presumably from the 60s. Right to the basement. Let's start off with the cat view.
She certainly picks up speed.
Yeah.
Now I'm understanding why there's such a space between floors here. It's upper and lower lecture halls.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's two lecture halls just stacked on top of each other.
It's basically like two separate buildings.
Almost, yeah. And let's go to 2 before somebody else comes.
Yeah, I'd say.
Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this on 1. Normally I would get like 2 round trips on this, but I can barely get
It
1.
ain't happening.
Yeah, I can barely get 1 on this thing. But there is something I want to show you when we get out on 1. Big bump, as Andy would say. So if you look here, this actually fully works, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get the doors
Oh, you're
closing.
gonna reverse because you put it down, Carl.
Probably.
Yep.
Okay. Well, you can see that the door works, so that's it.